Okay, I'm going to throw out a challenge to all our viewers. I'm going to walk down that row of wing cars, but I'm also going to include this one and the one in the background. Let's see who can tell us the original factory color name on each one of these cars, specific for the model year and the model. Oh, I don't see any, but as an example, as far as model year and model, but also the make, Plum Crazy is a very popular color, but it also had another name from the other brand. The same thing goes with Panther Pink. That was called a different color by the other brand. So whoever can nail the color for the year and the brand, well, we'll figure out some sort of a prize. So let's start with this 69 Daytona, and yes, it is a Hemi car. And then we're gonna look at that other 69 Daytona there in the background. So you got to get those two colors, and then you got to get these colors. I see a couple of them that are the same. Well, let's start with this 69 Daytona and that 69 Daytona. That should be pretty simple. Then you get to this 70 Plymouth Superbird. And that Superbird, and should be pretty easy. This Superbird. That color is famous for a specific NASCAR racer. Why don't you throw his name in there as well? This Superbird happens to be the same color as that Superbird, so you guys can cheat. This one, I guess it really doesn't count because that's not a factory color. And then you get into this Superbird and another Superbird. And the row is flanked on this end by a couple of Daytonas. So, whoever can name all these colors by make and what the factory called them originally, we'll figure out a prize. This car is probably a survivor car. Had some paint work on the nose, but I bet you there's a whole bunch of factory paint on that thing somewhere. And okay, let's be a little silly between manufacturers. This is a Daytona, and it's some sort of a yellow. Chevrolet actually had a color called Daytona Yellow. Again, being silly between manufacturers. It's a little bit darker, but again, that's me, my eyes, years of experience, being very critical. So we'll walk down the front of these cars real quick. Again, this one you don't have to include in the contest, but anybody that wants to give it a name, we're happy to see what kind of funny things you can come up with for this. Let's see who's got a really good sense of humor. That car just rolled in. Quite a bit of smoke coming out of the tailpipes. Again, just telling it like it is. What's that? Race car out of a reliable trailer. Again, walking down the front. This row of wing cars. Don't forget the two on the other side of those trucks from the beginning of this video. And of course you got this one over here, another Superbird, which matches one in the row. So do your research, do your homework. Let's see who gets them all nailed correctly, and we'll figure things out from there. I'm expecting that there's going to be multiple people that come up with proper answers for every car, so maybe we're going to have some type of a drawing for a prize. The Mopar crowd I find to be very dedicated, very intelligent about the cars, so I'm expecting great results on the survey, and we'll figure things out from there.